More images of the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition have been leaked. And it starts off with a side image of this phone. And the reason why this is important / being talked about is just how thin this phone actually is. So if you don't know, this phone is 5% thinner than the Z Fold 6. Yeah, it's still way thicker than other cell phones like the Pixel 9 Pro Fold or any Honor phone or any Huawei phone. Yeah, it's still very much thick, okay, versus other phones, but it's thinner, 5% thinner than the Z Fold 6. And that's really the biggest kicker here, is we got more images of the side of it. Now, of course, you might say this looks very similar, if not the same, to the Z Fold 6. Again, it really is. It's almost a copy and paste of the Z Fold 6, except for you add in the 5% thinnerness. There is an 8-inch inside display, which is better. There's also going to be a no digitizer layer. So it's just going to be a, what's it called? S Pen support, but it's a new technology. That's what I'm trying to say. So, yeah. I mean, it is what it is. This is the other image we got, which again, we've seen for a month now, which is just the camera module, which is a triple camera module and a little camera bump, which again looks very similar to the Z Fold 6. Welcome to Samsung apologizing for the lack of innovation, just to give us a lack of innovation. Yeah, no, I thought that was hilarious. They literally apologized, made a video about it a couple days ago. They put out an apology for them not innovating that much and not really giving us crazy products and kind of being complacent and giving us the same exact products on repeat. So after they apologize, our most recent leaks of this phone looks exactly like the old one. Because, you know, words mean nothing when actions really do not dictate anything. And that's what we're kind of seeing with Samsung again and again. You know, they say, oh, we're sorry for lack of innovation. We'll do better. We're gonna, do our best here to put out the best product possible. And then they just put out the same products. And then they'll send an apology out in a little bit of time. Probably in another year or so. We'll get the same apology next year. Sorry guys, we didn't mean to put out a crappy product. We do care about you, but at the same time, it is what it is. Samsung at their finest. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.